Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Izzati binti Cik Ros and I am the property manager. Today I would like to give some information about what is the property manager, the role of the property manager, the floor process before inspections, and the age relates to the property manager. So we start with the what is the property manager and property management. According to Malaysia Property Management Standard 2nd edition 2016, property manager means a company or a firm, a person who behalf of the owner of any building, land and any interest therein, manage and control such building, land and interest to maintain or increase the payment in or physically work of such property. Property management means the management and control of any building, land and any interest therein, including the management of property based on business on behalf of the owner for a fee. Service provided. The property manager is required to recruit relevant personnel to perform service or to outsource some of this service to external service provider. The engagement of in-house personnel or external service provider shall be with the approval of the client. The property manager shall formulate job specifications in order to recruit the most suitable candidate. The property manager duty include the preparation of scope of works, estimate costs and inventing tender and quotations and conducting tender exercise or request for quotation. Tender opening or quotations and tender interview for the shortlisted tenderers are subject to the client policy and procedure. The property manager is to forward of his recommendations and analysis in a tender report to the client for his considerations. A letter of award purchase order must be issued to the successful tender or contractor upon receipt of the client approval. Upon receipt of Form 25, the commissioner shall determine the amount of deposit required to be deposited by the developer under subsection 92 of the Act shall not be less than 0.5% of the estimate cost of constructions or 50,000 ringgit, whatever is higher. 2. The Commissioner shall notify the development of the amount of the deposit in Form 26. Mode of payment of deposit. The amount of deposit stated in Form 26 shall be paid by the developer to the commissioner in cash or bank guarantee upon the developer handing over vacant possessions or of a parcel in the development area to a purchaser. The first role is marketing and financial. Budgetary and other standard operations aspects. Retail price are established. Current market rental, local knowledge and competitive retail property are required. Paying tax and provisions of utilities and insurance, regular financial reporting to the building owner is required. Leasing and selling of the real estate property in order to engage in leasing or buying. The PM must make necessary marketing strategy, network contact. Second is the economy. Understanding of the economic factor attention, ability to assess a property operational revenue, anticipate its potentials and create a management plan that reflect the owner goals while remaining adaptable to market changes. Third is the community member. Should be involved in community organizations in order to promote great welfare, promote local business opportunity for its professional and training groups, and fulfill its corporation social responsibility CSR. Fourth is tenancy and occupancy. It is critical to comprehend the tenants' requirements, observe their requests and respond to them. Keep an eye on their activity. Fifth is the physical management. The landscape, electrical, plumbing, roof, walls, and appliances, and all other aspects of the physical property are all part of the physical property. Maintenance relationships with construction and repair company is instituted. Maintain a close eye on the quality of all repair and maintenance. Last but not least is the administration and risk management. The property administration's function include file and records, lease agreements, sale and purchase agreements, rule and regulations, house rule, and contract documents such as maintenance and repair work order. All are important documents. The flow process before we do the inspection are: first, provide client with appointments, schedules, and 2. Before meeting with the customer, make a checklist, be prepared for our tool inspections, and carry any necessary document, and expect the issue. 3. Create the briefing summary. Last but not least is the prepare defect report for the client review. The tool for the inspection is safety boots, safety helmet, habitating meter, digital movement crack, measure tape, and torchlight.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Is it a right place to find property manager?
Hello, Waalaikumsalam. Yes, you are in the right place. What can I help you?
Oh, I see. Can you come to my house to do inspections?
Okay, I like this. You give me your address, then I will make an appointment to do the inspection. So I finish do the appointment, I will inform you back.
Okay. After this call, I will text you to give my address. Then you can text me or call me to inform when you want to go to my house to do inspections. Okay, thank you.
Okay, welcome. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will do the inspections. Okay, the tool that I bring to the inspection day is phone for capture, the checklist, and the tools. So now let's go to the inspections.
Waking up at sunrise just so I can have a second to myself before everything else. The rest of my day is just a whirlwind. I try to keep up, somehow I never can. It's only been a year, but it's feeling like more. One more day inside and I might explode. I got nothing left except my memories. Guess I'll wait till we're back to how it's supposed to be. Ooh, waking up at sunrise. Waking up at sunrise. Sunrise, waking up at sunrise. Waking up at sunrise just so I can have a second to myself before everything else. The rest of my day is just a whirlwind. I try to keep up, somehow I never can. It's only been a year, but it's feeling like more. One more day inside and I might explode. I got nothing left except my memories. Guess I'll wait till we're back to how it's supposed to be. Ooh, waking up at sunrise. Waking up at sunrise. Sunrise, waking up at sunrise. Waking up at sunrise just so I can have a second to myself before everything else. The rest of my day is just a whirlwind. I try to keep up, somehow I never can. It's only been a year, but it's feeling like more. One more day inside and I might explode. I got nothing left except my memories. Guess I'll wait till we're back to how it's supposed to be. Ooh, waking up at sunrise. Waking up at sunrise. Ooh, waking up at sunrise. Waking up at sunrise. Waking up at sunrise just so I can have a second to myself before everything else. The rest of my day is just a whirlwind. I try to keep up, somehow I never can. It's only been a year, but it's feeling like more. One more day inside and I might explode. I got nothing left except my memories. Guess I'll wait till we're back to how it's supposed to be. Ooh, waking up at sunrise. Waking up at sunrise. Sunrise, waking up at sunrise. Waking up at sunrise just so I can have a second to myself before everything else. The rest of my day is just a whirlwind. I try to keep up, somehow I never can. It's only been a year, but it's feeling like more. One more day inside and I might explode. I got nothing left except my memories. Guess I'll wait till we're back to how it's supposed to be. Ooh, waking up at sunrise.
So now we finished the inspections. The wall defect is blooming. The cause of the defect is the measure of fluid gathering after condensations made water dissolvable. Mixture moved from the body of the paint fill to the cover first surface. At the point when a moved water compound dissipates from the surface, then at that point it will show up as tanky stone on the top coat. Okay, how to fix it is use wallpaper or cement the defect area. Second, the wall is cracked. The vertical crack in the wall is a result of stability in the concrete foundation and very common in new buildings. Due to the shrinking of concrete during its treatments, these cracks are also called shrinkage cracks. These cracks appear on the edge of the roof, which are narrow and not dangerous cracks. Homeowners may expect some cracks after spending a long period in their house, particularly on doors and windows. How to fix it? Contact a wall crack repair business if you find a lot of crack or deep crack. It is necessary to employ chemical as it spreads to fill in the gap and soft ground. It exerts pressure on the home, brings it back to a stable level. Using laser technology, the process is extremely precise and meticulous control. The plaster is cracked or loose in the ceiling. In most old homes, the ceiling plaster have lost part or all the lock on the running and careless tire and can cause sanitization failure. The space between the lead in the weakness lines. If it is damaged and enough pieces are destroyed, the ceiling will fall. How to fix it? Calling a contractor to reinstall the failing ceiling is the only way to remedy it. Cementers badly and carpenter and it would work in home and make it porous, leaving it wet and fragile. They mostly target wooden doors and eat the frame out of them. However, finding the spark inside the door frame is difficult. The wood may be hollow from within before you ever notice the bad infections, making cumbersome tensions, extremely difficult to treat. How to fit it? Step 1. Scrape off the last coat pen or lamina of the afflicted spot. Step 2. Follow the manufacturer instruction for apply Asian pen wood test Thermosil or an equivalent product. 3. Wood primer. Once the wood surface have gotten saturated and dry, apply the desired finish. The windows are in good conditions. The window handles are not tight and safe to use. The floor is in a good condition, no tie cracking or wanted to be turned off. The defect is wire detached from wall. The cause is wire connections that have been made incorrectly or have become loose over time. How to fix is, the defect can be solved by turning off the electricity to the suspect wall switch with the power turned off. Remove the cover plate and examine the screw terminals inside where the wires are joined. If any of the screw terminals are loose, carefully tighten them into the wires. Last but not least is the internal feature. The water tap works well. No water come out when closed. I hope all information that I given to you give you more knowledge about the property manager. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you.